You've imported your clip. The first thing you want to make sure is that you've selected the layer before starting. You have to do this or else it'll turn into a shape layer. So then select the pen icon here. It's always easier to use keyboard shortcuts and press G once. So we don't want the feather, we want the circle within the cube. Press V on our keyboard, zoom in with 2 fingers. Press H to navigate a little bit to the beginning of where we want to start our mask. And G again. We want to go a little bit outside of the image. If we click and drag, we will get a curvy line. And the beauty of this is that these 2 nodes can be adjusted separately. I can adjust this right one here all the way back into its point. That way I'll get a straight line when I do my next point. And just keep going around H and G all the way on your keyboard. You shouldn't have to use V at all at this point. So we're going to finish the square within the square is where we want to click to link the mask. The other thing is to deselect this icon here to see it without the outline. Click the mask to drag it around. And if you double click a point, a little grey box will appear. You can adjust the mask itself without moving the image. Clicking G again on the same layer, make more masks indicated by new colors. Just pressing and holding like this. You can also quickly navigate our mask by pressing M. If this was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!